Target Trading Academy.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I have a video for you today. It's Monday, November 22nd, but it's going to include the trades that were sent to me last Friday as well as today, so we have 2 days and one here for you today. So I have trades from Steve, Al, Paul, Alan again, Tim, and Dimitri, half from Friday and half from Monday. And we'll get started with Steve. But before we go, there was essentially a total of 21 different trades, 14 winners, 6 losses, and 1 break even. And the reason why I say essentially is because I have 3 screenshots, or I have 2 screenshots from Dimitri that go over oil, the ES, and the NQ. There are multiple trades, but all 3 of them are large winners. And I'm not going to go through all the details of those, just all 3 were winners. There's no doubt you'll see it, but I'm just treating each one of those as simply a trade. It may have been another 20 winners for a crazy ratio, but we'll just leave it at that, make it nice and easy. So once again, a total of 21, 14 winners, 6 losses, and 1 break even. All right, the first trade here is a trend trade from Steve. Last Friday at 9:32, short in the ES on a sim account for a winner. And then this next trade is a predator trade where the program tells him where a resistance zone should be. It was resistance. He got short and he had a winner there. And then the next trade is also the same program. It said resistance should be here. He's looking, he's reading the tape. There's heavy sellers there, and he gets another winner. So 1 trending trade for a winner on Friday and 2 predator reversal trades, both winners. Good work, Steve. Okay, next up is Al. These are all in the micro ES and they're all live trades. So at 10:09 we have a long and a winner. And then 2 trades on this screenshot here. We have a short at 12:15 and a winner, and then another short at 12:20 for a quick scalp. He didn't like the way it was reversing on him, even though it did come back. He decided to get out right away. And then 2 trades on this screenshot as well. We have a long at 13:30 for a small loss, and then a short at 13:42 for a winner. Multiple exits there. Nice work there, 62.50 in the micro ES all live trades. Okay, next up is Paul. These are also all in the micro ES and all live. And first up we have a short at 11:52 for a loss, and then a breakout short here. Another short live. And actually, I know why I'm stumbling here. My apologies. We can't double count this. Al had the exact same trade, so this is not counted as a win. I was looking at my list and saying, wait a minute, the next trade should be another loss. So yes, he did have a nice winner here, but again, that's not included in my data that I gave you, that 21 trades. So we don't double count trades. So what I was looking at and getting a little bit confused, there was a short at 12:24 for a loss, and then a long at 12:30 for another loss. So Paul got started off on the wrong foot, but as usual, he made it back. Now he just covered to break even, but when it ain't going your way and you did not lose money, that's great. So he has a long here at 15:01 for a winner. I'm convinced this was an error here at 15:18 for a loss, a long and a loss, but I counted it anyways. And this is a 15:26, a long and a winner, and then 15:39, a long and another winner that gets him to just above break even. So a good way to fight back, Paul. All right, next up, this is Monday. This is today. This is a short from Alan in the micro ES live for a winner. Then he had to, I think, go on a business meeting or something like that. But he had 1 trade today for a nice winner. Good job. All right, next up are 2 trades from Tim. These are both in the ES, and they're both on sim. The first one is a long and break even. And then the next one is a short at 11:29 for a winner. Good work, Tim. Okay, and then Dimitri will be the last couple of screenshots. Okay, so here's the first one. Dimitri saw that the market had a huge drop based on what turns out to be total fake news from Wall Street Journal, saying that, among other things, OPEC was going to increase their production. Later on in the day, the Saudi government came out and said, no, not only are we not raising production, there's a good chance we're going to cut production even more. And there was a massive reversal. Now, Dimitri wasn't expecting the massive reversal, but he just thought it was oversold. He's looking at the algos and market profile that we all use, and he wound up being long, I think, 14 positions, and just looking for, you know, a little rally, make some money on it, but the market exploded for him. And as you can see here, and this is his live account, on that oil trade, he made $10,860. All right, and then the last screenshot here, this is his normal trading activity for a slow day. And usually he does better in the NASDAQ, which is on the right, than the ES, which is on the left. But these are, again, both winners, both just from today. And his live account for the ES alone, he was up $4,150. And over on the right, in the NASDAQ, he made $3,460. So pretty good day for Dimitri today, and he was a little bummed out at how slow it was. Nice work. Okay, so that's going to do it for today's video, folks. Once again, this covers last week's end of the week trades and the beginning of this week, which is November 21st. We had a total of, in a way, 21 trades. Once again, the last three were not really individual trades, but trade groups, and they were all three winners. But let's say 21 trades, 14 winners, 6 losses, and 1 break even. And if you would like to come and join our students where they swear by their indicators that they use and not at them, just contact us through our Facebook page or our website, and we'd be happy to get more information out to you. Until the next video, everyone, trade well.